is going to take us through doing a polynomial division. Okay, so there'll be a polynomial divided by a quadratic, and the question looks like this one. So it's question 1 from one of your papers. Let's see, what have we got? We've got x cubed plus x squared minus 7x plus 6, and we're dividing that by x squared plus 3x minus 1. Okay, so remember we need to set this up properly, so it's x squared plus 3x minus 1. We do our division sign, and in here we've got x cubed plus x squared take 7x plus 6. Now you've been given a nice one here, and you can see that there's an x cubed column, an x squared, an x, and a constant term column. If one of those is missing, you must remember to leave a space for it. So if there was an x cubed and no x squared, you would still leave a space or put in 0x squared. You must leave room for it, and that's included in synthetic division. Okay, so now we just look at the first term, the x cubed. X cubed divided by x squared is x. And now we go through our multiplication. X times x squared gives me x cubed. X times 3x gives me plus 3x squared, and x times minus 1 gives me minus x. Draw a line under there. We're going to perform a subtraction. X cubed take x cubed is 0. If you don't get 0 there, you know that you've done something wrong. X squared minus 3x squared is minus 2x squared. Minus 7x minus x, so that's a plus x, is going to give us minus 6x. And we bring our plus 6 down because it's unaltered. And now we perform another division. Minus 2x squared divided by x squared is going to leave me with minus 2. Now, minus 2 times x squared is minus 2x squared. Minus 2 times 3x is going to be minus 6x. Minus 2 times minus 1 is plus 2. Rule in our line, put in a minus. Minus 2x squared minus minus, so it's plus, gives me 0. Minus 6x plus 6x is 0. And 6 take 2 gives me 4. And we're ready for the next bit. 4 divided by x squared does not go nicely, and so that's the point we end at. And so our answer to the entire thing is the result up here, x minus 2, and then we always put in a plus, and then we put in our remainder. It's 4 over x squared plus 3x minus 1. You always put a plus in here. If this is, because otherwise if you've got more stuff here with minuses and things like that, putting a minus out the front here can cause trouble if you forget to alter pluses and minuses. If they want you to show it in another form so that you don't have to do it like that, it would look like this. It would look like x minus 2 bracket x squared plus 3x minus 1 plus 4 is the same answer. I've just multiplied through both sides by x squared plus 3x take 1. And that's the same answer. I'm happy for you to give your answer in that format though.